Assalamu alaikum dear students, I am your English teacher for class 6. Today we will do exercises related to parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English language: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Open your English grammar copy. Mention date, draw a margin line. Write the following underlined words in your notebook and give the function of each. Let's see the example first. This ship sailed across the wide ocean. We have to give the function of the underlined word. In this example, underlined ship is a noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of any person, place, thing or animal. Ship, noun, is the name of a thing. Next word which is underlined in this sentence is wide. Wide is an adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word which tells the quantity or quality of a noun. Wide adjective describes the ocean. Now let's start exercise. The yellow snake crawled out of a hole. Yellow is an adjective because it describes snake. Yellow adjective describe snake and crawl is a verb. What is verb? Verb is a word which tells something about noun or pronoun. Crawl, verb, tells of an action. Shoaib is the director of a large company. Here Shoaib is the name of person, so we know that it's a noun. Shoaib noun is the name of a person. Large is an adjective because it describes the company, and large adjective describes the company. The tap was leaking yesterday. Tap is a name of thing, so it's a noun. Tap, noun, is the name of a thing. Yesterday is an adverb. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word which adds something to the meaning of any parts of speech except noun and pronoun. Yesterday tells when the tap was leaking. Yesterday adverb tells when it was leaking, helps describe the action. She came to see me in the morning. Me is the pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. Me pronoun stands in place of a noun, the person speaking. Morning. Morning is an adverb. It tells us when she came. Morning adverb is the name given to the early part of the day. The bird and the animals are fed well. Here and is conjunction. What is conjunction? A conjunction is a joining words because it joins two sentences or word, and conjunction joins two parts of the sentence. Are fed. Are is helping verb and fed is main verb which tell us of an action. Are fed is a verb. Are fed verb tells of an action continuing. Early one morning, I saw a beautiful peacock in the forest. Saw is verb which shows an action. Saw is the second form of verb see. For past tense, we use second form of verb. Saw verb tells of a past action. N is preposition. What is preposition? Preposition is also called relating words. It shows the relation of noun or pronoun to something else. It tells us relation between peacock and forest. N shows the relation between peacock and forest. Oh, is that your new car? Question mark. Oh is an interjection. Oh is an interjection. What is an interjection? An interjection expresses some sudden feeling of the mind. Oh interjection shows a feeling or emotion. New. New is an adjective which describes the car. New adjective describes the car. Pick out the adverbs in the following sentences and say whether the adverb tells us where, when, how often the action of the verb takes place. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word which adds something to the meaning of any parts of a speech except noun and pronoun. Example: the yellow canary sang sweetly in its cage. Here, sweetly is an adverb. It shows that how the canary sang. Adverb sweetly. It tells us how the canary sang. He looked carefully at the little animal and decided it was not hurt. Adverb carefully. It tells us how he looked. My friends are arriving tomorrow by bus. Adverb tomorrow. It tells us when. He ran here and there but could not find his brother. Adverb here and there. It tells us where. The carpenter has just finished making the table. Adverb just. It tells us when. The car went up the hill so very slowly that even the pedestrians overtook it. Adverb slowly. It tells us how. Please come now, or we shall miss the bus. Adverb now. It tells us when. She placed the clock above the photograph yesterday. Adverb yesterday. It tells us when the action happened. Pick out the prepositions in the following sentences. What is preposition? Preposition is also called relating words. It shows the relation of noun or pronoun to something else. For example, to, of, by, at, under, in, upon, behind, below, above, and between. The dog chased the cat up a tree. Up is a preposition. It shows and connects the relation between noun cat and noun tree. We drove the bus into the garage. Into is a preposition. It shows the relation between bus and garage. Ali went with Faiz to the cinema. To is a preposition. It shows the relation between Faiz noun and cinema. The doctor put the thermometer under the patient's tongue. Under is a preposition. It shows the relation between thermometer and patient's tongue. The train between the two towns runs on Wednesday. Between is a preposition. It shows the relation between train and two towns. Complete the following sentences by filling in the blanks with the correct prepositions. The sad story was very painful, dash the child's mother. The sad story was very painful to the child's mother. The handsome actor was surrounded, dash his admirer. The handsome actor was surrounded by his admirers. The children were full, dash hope that the party would not be cancelled. The children were full of hope that the party would not be cancelled. Akram was impatient, dash the delay of the train. Akram was impatient at the delay of the train. I visited London last year, accompanied dash a friend. I visited London last year, accompanied by a friend. The headmaster asked the boy if he was aware dash the dangers of smoking. The headmaster asked the boy if he was aware of the dangers of smoking. The boy who threw the stone was ashamed dash himself. The boy who threw the stone was ashamed of himself. Underline the nouns in the following. What is noun? Noun is the name of any person, place, thing or animal. The elephant rose to its feet. Elephant is an animal name. Underline it. Rose is a thing. Underline it. Feet is a part of body. Underline it. The rose on the bush was large. Rose, bush are nouns. The rose bush grew in the back garden. Rose, bush, and garden are nouns. The water was taken from the tank. Water and tank are nouns. It is the gardener who has to water the plants. Gardener, water, and plants are nouns. The water tank is near the wall. Water, tank, and wall are nouns. See if you can pick out and name all the adjectives in the following sentences. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word which tells the quality or quantity of a noun. The dangerous animal roamed about in the thick forest. Dangerous is an adverb because it's a quality of animal. Dangerous, quality. Thick is a quality of forest. Thick, quality. Dangerous is an adjective. Dangerous, quality. Thick is a quality of forest. Thick, quality. She brushed her hair with a yellow and red brush. Yellow and red, quality. His grey-haired father was a delightful companion. Grey-haired, quality. Delightful, quality. This house is big, but that hut is small. Big, quality. Small, quality. Our children play amusing games every day after dinner. Amusing, quality. We have 4 books for every boy in our section. 4. Quantitative. The poor man was blind. Poor, quality. Blind, quality. Dear students, this is the end of today's lecture. Complete your homework in English grammar copy and submit it on time in your school. Thank you.